Friends, how are you? What is up for the Friday weekend, Friday night? I think you must have a lot of party kind of plans. I do have a lot of party kind of plans, but not exactly those parties, because I was looking forward for this particular week and weekend, because I had lot of things which I have to do, and these are not those things to which we get tired, right? These are not my professional or work related stuff. These are all my personal work, personal stuff, side hustles which I wanted to do. And probably Friday, yeah, I'll do a lot of activities today, so it will be very late night. It's going, but I'm very excited. Without further ado, let's see what is the impromptu challenge of the day. Ask me anything. Do you own your things, or do your things own you? Okay, very interesting challenge. Do you own your things, or do your things own you? Okay. So there is something common between you and me, and in fact among all of us, that we all are either owned by a lot of different things, or some of us who are very brilliant, who have understood the meaning of life or the purpose of life, they own certain things, right? Now you may ask, Santosh, what do you mean by this? So what I mean is that, for example, let's suppose we take time, right? So sometimes we think that we are wasting time, but actually time is wasting us. You know what I mean? Because you might be doing certain activities, you thinking that yes, I love these activities, because of that I am doing, but those activities actually own you. For an example, our smartphones, right? I see a lot of people, and in fact I am also among one of them, that we started using these smartphones or these phones for our convenience. But nowadays, what are we doing? There are so many notifications coming on. There are so many distractions. Someone messaged you on the WhatsApp. There is some check-in on the Facebook, and then there is a photo uploaded on the Instagram, and then there is some professional service update on the LinkedIn. Oh my God! And then there are so many things coming up on the YouTube, because you already like them, and those algorithms present you again and again the similar sort of thing. What is happening? Do we really own that smartphone? Is it that only for our convenience, or it has consumed us, and now we don't own those things, they own us? They know when Santosh wakes up, they know when Santosh is ready for watching more and more YouTube videos, or want to see those timeline stuff and things like that. So I'm definitely pretty sure that I'm also owned by these smartphones nowadays, though I have restricted myself to be very limited on Facebook, just because of this group I'm active, and also on YouTube I watch only those things, and with a very limited short span of time, only which I'm interested in, which actually is for learning and all that. So I'm trying to be decoupling those things. So probably I'm not really owned by these social media, but I know a lot of people are really owned by them. And sorry for overshooting the time. I am done for the topic. Thank you.